Hi everyone, today I will show you how you can easily remove the hard water deposit from your shower doors and keep it clean longer. If you have a hard water, you know how hard it is to keep the shower door clean and how difficult it is to remove the white spots from the glass doors. To remove the white spots, I will use this aerosol product from Super Clean. I'll first clean the bottom portion of this glass door so you can see the before and after difference. All you need to do is spray this on the glass door and leave it for about 3 minutes. By the way, I'm using the aerosol version because I can apply it on the vertical surface and you want to make sure that it stays on the surface longer. Okay, so I'll just leave this for about 3 minutes and I'll come back again to apply a second coat. And if you're wondering where to get this product, you can buy this at Walmart, Lowe's, or your auto parts store. Or you can click the link I put on the description if you want to buy it from Amazon. So if you go to Walmart, make sure to look at their auto section because that's where I usually see this product. Okay, so we're back and this is how it looks after 3 minutes. Let us go ahead and apply the second coat. If this is your first time watching my video, I just wanted to ask you to click the subscribe button to help my channel and also make sure to leave a comment below and let us know where you're watching from. Okay, so we'll have to leave this again. So I'll see you again in 3 minutes. Okay, this is the second application. You can do a few more applications depending on how stubborn the hard water deposit is from your shower glass door. But for now, I will use my scrub to help some stubborn spots. As you scrub the glass, you can actually feel where the rough spots are and focus on those. If it won't come off easily, simply do additional application to give the product enough time to loosen the deposits. So, let me go wipe this off. And this is how it looks like after 2 applications, or about 6 minutes of letting the product stay in the glass door. And the top portion is how it was before we cleaned it up. And if you look closely, you can see the difference between the two. So let me go clean up the whole area and then I'll come back to you. And this is how it looks like now after I cleaned the entire glass area. I have also rinsed the area with water. At this point, I'll apply this invisible glass product. I usually use Rain X as it actually repels the water so that it will protect the glass longer, but I didn't realize I'm out of that product and this is the one that I have right now. So I'll just use this product right now, but I will suggest that you get the Rain X glass cleaner. So to apply this, you can simply spray this into the glass and wipe it dry. So this is how it looks like now after you dry it off. And this is how it was before we clean it. I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel grow by clicking the like and the subscribe button. And thank you for watching.